pretty good sized team. They've got a lot of a lot of agents that are working together. What they wanted to do was create a follow up for um, an open house. And once they're on this open house follow up, then send out a routine or send out emails through a routine. And like the first week, send something every day for each day, send out an email each day. Um, After the second and third week, do it every other day. And then from that point until 52 weeks is up, do it just weekly. Okay. Whenever whenever I attempted to do that through Sam using Let Sam Build It, let me just do a open house. Yeah. So whenever I did this, it actually, this one isn't the one I did it in their account. It just, it did the 7 days for the first week, and then it created a single activity that says weeks 2 through 14 or 2 through 2 and 4 or 2 and 3, and then weeks 4 through 52 was another entity. So it didn't do what it was supposed to do. Well, now it will. So whenever you come in and let's say you want to, I'm just going to create a new routine, and let's say open house follow up, and we'll do a open house. Oh, actually, hang on for 1 second here. It's probably for a listing. So we'll do open house start date. You know, actually what I'm going to do probably, we did do this as a contact because they don't necessarily have it tied to the listing. Come here. One new feature that I did add, because I got really tired of adding in the dates by going back to the setup, adding the dates, coming back, doing that. We now have a button here so you can add your dates to your routines if you need a new date type without having to exit all the way out. So this will streamline things a lot. In this case, I want an open house registration date. It's not there. I've done it in their account. So you can come here, click on the little plus, say open house registration date. In this case, date and time. I may want the, when the actual time on there. I'm going to leave it as time. In which case now I can say open house registration date. And now that is a new date field that I can use for my routine. And I didn't have to go into the settings, into the date. It's like 4 or 5 steps that I've eliminated by allowing you guys to add it there. Now that it's here, I can come up here to say, let Sam build it, and say something like open house follow-up, 1 email each day for 7 days, weeks 2 through 3, send emails every other day, and then weeks 4 through 52, send emails once a week. Send informational content about home buying in Springfield, Missouri, whatever you want to do as far as a description. And then you can let Sam kind of enhance it, but I'm just going to leave it the way it is. And then we click on generate. What it's going to do then is it's going to use the AI to figure out what you want to create. And it can take a few seconds to build out what all we want. But it comes up here and says, okay, you wanted 7 days, one each day. There's that. Weeks 2 through 3, we're going to do this, and weeks 4 through 52, we're going to do this. This is a summary, but down here at the bottom, it says this plan will create approximately 63 activities. So by just giving that description, if I hit approve and build, I'm not going to do that. It will go through now and build out all those, including the groupings of things that you've specified. We didn't have that clearly. That Sam didn't understand that clear enough. So now that's available. So if you're wanting to build bigger routines, you can now do it and it understands it better. I mean, just think about it. And it may take 4 or 5 minutes for it to go through and create all these documents, the templates and everything. But just think about how much time that just saved you guys, just by describing what you wanted, which I thought we had it before, but I didn't take into account these groupings of things, so it didn't actually build it the way it should have. But now it does. That's a big one for AI.